Hey everyone, Karina here with Dirtbag Minimal. I am here to show you that I've finished my tiny house. Well, I mean almost. I still have to put in bathroom door and bedroom door and like little handles and touch up the paint on the door, but mostly I'm done. It's very almost unclimactic because I've just been working and plugging away, and since there almost isn't like an end date because I need to do some little things and then that might influence something else. So anyway, it doesn't feel like there's one final date. It's kind of like a big painting. You can keep working, but at some point you have to say it's done. And I'm almost there, but basically it's livable. Okay, I'll stop talking. Here, I'm gonna show it to you. Here we go. All right, everyone. Here she is. Got these wood floors, bathroom, the loft. I still have to take wood out. Dun, dun, dun. And I'll turn you around so you can see the floor, closet door. Got my little blanket and my pillow there. I'll close this door so you can see this beautiful custom made door that I made. Da-da-da. And we have a closet in here. All right, gonna turn you around. I'll give you a peek into the bathroom. Little washing machine. See, the floor's not so bad now when I have the little toilet, and see, I have my little custom tiles and a really nice sort of round mirror. I was gonna do square or rectangular, but you know what? The circle is nice because the shower has a circular aspect to it, and the handles are the same tan color and circular. And so anyway, it kind of pulls everything together. And I'll go over here. Hey, look, it's me. Toilet, rug. There you get to glimpse into that closet door. And now I'm going to take you around. So the stove is going to be there. I haven't hooked it up yet. I'm going to wait to do it in fall because summer is coming, and it's just I'm done right now. And here's my kitchen. And so I have a aluminum sort of back plate for the stove that I've just siliconed on yesterday, and I was having so much trouble with this caulking that instead I put a molding piece in there, and I'm gonna tung oil it, which worked out so great. Look at those shelves. Look at that shelf. I'm so proud. Look at this. And so right here I have this piece cut out. It's a different color because this has a lot of tung oil coats and this doesn't, but it's the same wood. Just got to do more coats on it. But it's because this little fridge, I'll probably replace it with a bigger fridge. So as you can see, but for right now I have that, and I wanted to extend my countertop. So that is an extension, and it's just kind of sitting there, and I'll pull it out and I can make a table or something later if I decide to put a bigger fridge, which should fit right underneath there. And this is gonna be a bifold door, but for now, got my little hook. Here's my bedroom. Look at this. I should have made my bed before I took this video, but I couldn't wait. My drawers and my shelf up there, and I'm gonna put like some art or something there. And look at this. Look at this place. It's amazing. Anyway, that's my tiny house, little brief tour to show you that I finished mostly, and I'm going to give you a way better tour with all the full details at some point, but I just wanted to show you all where I'm at and what happened. I wanted to show you where I'm at, what my tiny house looks like. I can officially say I'm done. I'm probably going to spend my first night here. Crazy. It's crazy. My little windowsill.